Hi, I'm Sean, and this is the Hornby TT120 Easterner train set, and we're going to be unboxing it right now on Sean's Trains. Right, this is the Hornby TT120 Easterner train set. We'll go over a quick look at the box. I do like the artwork on the box. It's almost like the old style sort of colouring from back in the day, you know, with all the backdrop there. Now, go to the back of the box. A lot of detail on the back of the box. Got William Whitelaw A4 locomotive with 3 coaches. Now, in this set, you get the track that makes up this loop here, but you can get add-on train packs where eventually you can make this layout here. So this is the analog version, it's not the HM7000 version. You get 2 versions, the DCC ready or the HM7000 with the sound and the Bluetooth, but I've opted to get this one for now. So right, we're just going to open up the box now. I forgot to mention, I have already looked in this box before this because I just want to check the contents, because the box that this was in, this is how the box was. So with all that damage on that box, I was a bit worried about the contents of this one. I think there was a mark somewhere, but I think it'll be alright. This is just a box. But I'm just going to open it up. I've actually been looking forward to this because I haven't actually had one of these train sets yet. This is my first TT train set. Got that. Lift that up. Have the train. Yeah, it's nice that they used kind of like a recycled packaging. That's nice to see. Yeah, friendly to the environment. So just take out one of the coaches. This is the back brake coach. Yeah, very nice detail on the front. Lots of detail on the bottom. Yeah, very nice. Very nice finish on the carriages as well. So now we're going to look at the locomotive. It's an A4 class locomotive. You know, this packaging is really strong packaging, so it's very secure. Right, here we go. That's very nice. It's got very reassuring weight to it. And yes, it's William Whitelaw. Yeah, I thought it was. But yeah, it looks very nice. Those things is all will pick up as well. Yeah, very nice indeed. I don't know if you can get that on the camera, but some nice cab detail in there. You know, it's nice to see good cab detail. Right, so let's get the track set up and give it a run the track. Right, I've now finished running the train in, and now I've got the carriages on the train, and this is basically the full circle track you get, which is quite a fair circle, to be fair. I've also got a rerailer, what you use to reroute the track. There's an extra bit of track there, what would be for the siding, but I think I might have done the layout wrong possibly. But you know, you've got two straight siding. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to run a couple of laps with the train. So here's William Whitelaw, the A4, with the 3 coaches. Enjoy. It's a very smooth runner. I have got on it does run really smooth. And I think the weight of it really helps with that. So it's got quite a good weight to it. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy running this train on the layout. But at the moment it is, like I said, it is running on DC rather than the DCC. But you know, I can at a later date chip this loco with the HM7000 chip, which allows you to run the loco on Bluetooth as well as have all the sounds, which is something I'll be doing in the future. But for now it's okay for now.
I don't end of it.
I think it's quite a decent speed going around the track. I mean, I'm about halfway on the dial, on the control dial. It's about halfway. Let's see what's the slowest I can get. Yeah, that's a nice crawl. And I'm about there on the controller. And it's managing to stay at that speed. With all with pickups and all the wheels really helps the loco too. Yeah, I'm really happy. It's a really good set. Right, well, that's about it for now. Thank you for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it would be a good help. And also if you could share the channel, it'd be much appreciated and it'll help the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.